Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 13th March 2022. So, in this briefing, we will review the status of maximum temperature over different parts of the country, observed rainfall, synoptic systems, and weather forecast for next 5 days. So, yesterday, dry weather prevailed over most parts of the country except isolated light rainfall received over Konkan and Goa meteorological subdivision. And as far as temperature scenario is concerned, yesterday heat wave to severe heat wave conditions prevailed in isolated pockets over coastal areas of Saurashtra and Kutch. And as far as this threshold value of 38 degrees Celsius is concerned, it is maximum temperatures are above 38 degrees Celsius over some parts of Saurashtra and Kutch in isolated pockets of southwest Rajasthan, Gujarat region, Konkan and Goa, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Mahe, and interior Tamil Nadu. And maximum temperature were above normal at many places over Gujarat state, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, West Rajasthan, Konkan, coastal Karnataka, Kerala and Mahe, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. So in summary, we can say that maximum temperatures were above normal at many places over Western Himar region, northeastern states, Gujarat state, Punjab, West Rajasthan, Konkan, coastal Karnataka, Kerala and Mahe. So this is about the synoptic systems prevailing today. So there is a cyclonic circulation at 3.1 km above mean sea level over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. And there is also a cyclonic circulation over eastern parts of Bangladesh and neighborhood between 1.5 and 2.1 km above mean sea level. And there is a cyclonic circulation extending up to 0.9 km above mean sea level over South Chhattisgarh and neighborhood. And there is a cyclone circulation over equatorial Indian Ocean and adjoining areas of southeast Bay of Bengal and extends up to 3.1 km above mean sea level. And the trough runs at with its axis at 5.8 km above mean sea level from Sikkim to East Central Arabian Sea across Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Maharashtra. So these are the synoptic systems prevailing today. However, under the influence of these synoptic systems, there is no significant rainfall is expected over any parts of the country, and therefore we can say that dry weather is likely to prevail over most parts of the country during next 4 or 5 days, except some isolated rainfall activity is expected over Andaman Nicobar Islands during 14th to 17th March 2022, and isolated activity is also expected over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and South India Karnataka on 16th and 17th March. So accordingly, only heat wave conditions is today's highlight, that it is expected in isolated pockets over Saurashtra and Kutch on 13th and 14th, and over West Rajasthan and interior Odisha it is expected to develop on 16th and 17th March. So weather forecast, I have already told that weather dry is expected over most parts of the country except isolated rainfall is expected over Andaman Nicobar Islands during 14th to 17th March and over Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Mahe and South India Karnataka during 16th to 17th March 2022. And strong surface winds with the speed reaching 25 to 35 kmph likely to prevail over plains of northwest India, that is Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, North Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh on 16th and 17th March 2022. As far as the forecast of maximum temperature is concerned, rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius very likely over interior Gujarat and interior Maharashtra during the next 2 days and no significant change thereafter. And rise in maximum temperature is expected by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius very likely over most parts of northwest and central India during the next 3 days and no significant change thereafter. Gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius very likely over most parts of East India during the next 4 5 days, and no significant change in maximum temperature is expected over rest parts of the country during next 4 5 days. And as far as heat wave conditions are concerned, so they are expected to prevail in isolated pockets over Saurashtra Kutch on 13th and 14th, that is today and tomorrow, and over West Rajasthan and interior Odisha on 16th and 17th March 2022. Accordingly, we have given symbolic representation on Indian map. So for today and tomorrow, this heat wave symbol is given to Saurashtra and Kutch, and on 16th and 17th heat wave symbol is given to West Rajasthan and interior Odisha on 16th and 17th. So this is all about. It is requested kindly download our different apps, that is Mosam app, Damini app, Meghdut app, Rain Alarm, and also visit our website, that is mosam.imd.gov.in, and follow us on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and also comment and see our different videos, daily videos and weekly videos. And if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you. This is all about today. Goodbye.